Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add another Face ID on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode to continue. Once you're in, scroll down a bit and tap on Set up an alternate appearance. This option allows you to add another face to unlock your iPhone, either a different version of yourself or someone else you trust. Tap on Set up an alternate appearance and follow the steps to scan the new face. If your device has a security delay, you may need to wait before setting it up, just like in our example. And that's it. Now you know how to add another Face ID on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.